Okay, now we will teach you another application of the software, because in the previous learning we only teach you one side face to nose, but today I will teach you how to calculate when they choose two sides. One is face to north and another side face to south, and how to operate the software when the roof at the same time installed both sides. Okay, now we start. We will have the test. We will have test. Final exam. So please then pay your attention to learn this chapter, this session. Okay, so now we will write down this 20 meter here, and here is a 5 meter. Let's start. Okay, so now please prepare the software, run as demo. Choice grid connect system, full fit in. Press OK. As I tell you before, please cancel first. And now we will choose the weather, location. I tell you before, Brazil, Rio de Janeiro as our location. When you choose the location, please choose the system technical data. Now, the difference between today and before we always use one, because only one roof. Now we will design two roofs. One is north, another is south. So we need to key in two. When you key in one, only one array. When you key in two, become two array here. One array is for north, another array is for south. So now we place array 1. Use the left hand button, press. So here, please key in, this is a north array. So please key in north. When you key in the north, please press the button. Go to the design the roof parameter. As I tell you before, go to the button and the roof 20 and 5, 20 meter, 5 meter. So please come here, 20 and 5, 20 for A, 5 for B. So this is the roof. So the roof become 20 and 5. Okay, now this is the roof area, and we need to set up the PV area. What is the PV area? He said we need to leave 50 centimeter for the edge, 50 centimeter for the edge, and the space of the solar panel 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay, so now go to design the area of the solar panel. So press the right hand button, and press new. This new is for PV area. Be careful, PV area. For the PV area, you need A remaining 19 because 1 meter for the edge, 1 meter for the edge, and here become 4 meter because 1 meter for the edge, 1 meter for the edge. So press OK, and use the left hand button to move the area. So this area is for roof area, and the dot 9, this is the area for the PV area. So roof area is ready, PV area is also ready, and please press your right hand button and edit PV area. According to we need to leave 10 centimeter for the space. So key in 0.1 meter. This is 10 centimeter. And we design horizontal. Design for horizontal. Okay. So this is the solar panel. So we use the left hand side, and we move to the center. You can hold your left button and to move to the suitable position. Yeah, you can move. Yeah, and then press OK. So for the nose, so totally we have 96 solar panel. Press key in 0 because nose, and the slope is 20 degree. 20 degree is the slope. So key in 20 here. Okay, start to choose inverter. And kick off blue color. Only green color remain. And now I will discuss with you about there are so many inverter. There are so many inverter. So I need to discuss with you of this. I print screen. Now I will more discuss with you because previous teaching we do not have enough time to have a discuss this in detail with you. So now I will teach you in detail. Please look this table. Please look this table. Yeah. This table here, we have there are many actually there are many inverters. and you can choose. So now you can only choose the green color. So that means it's a check OK. This is I say inverter OK. So please only choose green color. So you cannot click this. Not choose red color. Do not choose blue color. Only choose green color. And I will tell you that another you need to know is a number of MPPT tracker. It means the numbers of input into inverter. So sometimes we will 1, and sometimes we have 3. So, and this is the number of inverter. This is the number of inverter. So when you choose this, and choose this, what difference? This is a 1 inverter, but 3 inputs. One inverter, 3 inputs. And for this one is a 2 inverter and 1 input. That means this is a small inverter. And this is a bigger inverter. That is a larger capacity. So you can choose this one is okay, and then this one is also okay. So for example, in this case, there are many choices. You can choose one invert, one. This is a. You can choose 1 input, and this is a 2 input. 2 input. What is the input? What is the meaning of input? What's the meaning of input? If this is a solar panel, yeah, say solar panel, we will link together. We will link together. And the link together, we will become 1 minus and 1 plus. And this will go into the inverter. We call this is a one input. And if you so this is a For example, this is a 3 series and 1 parallel. And if we have another array, that's maybe the same 3 together. Yeah. And we also go to, yeah, come here. Go, and we use another. For example, this is a minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So it's a minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this is a plus, and this is a minus. So we say it's another input, one input. So totally, for this inverter, we call 2 inputs. So that is mean when you choose 2 inputs, that means it's a bigger inverter. Yeah, bigger inverter. When you choose more input, that means it's a small. This is for example, when you look this. This is a 2 inverter, and 1 input should be small capacity, and you choose only 1 inverter, and many inputs should be bigger inverter. So please, you can choose what you like, but I suggest students, please, in our practice, please choose one input for our practice or test. So that means please choose 1 here. One input is better for you. You have many choice, but we may choose 1 input for our practice. What is 1 input? The inverter only 1 input, and we do not choose 2 input or 3 input. Okay, go back to our. So now we will choose 1 input. So maybe we chose the Germany. Germany is 1 input here. Okay. So when you design for the nodes, when you finish the nodes, do not check now. You will finish all your design and to check. So now you do not need to check and go to another array. It's array 2. Going to second array. This array is for south, so key in south. SOUT. And go to the design. The same. the south, yeah, we will design is a 20 meter and by 5 meter. Press OK. So this is the south, 20 meter and 5 meter. And the design, the PV area. So the PV area is for the same is 19 because you need to leave edge and this 4. Okay. So you will move the area to the center. So this is the PV area. Press right hand side button, edit PV area. And this is the space, 0.1 meter and horizontal. Choose horizontal. Okay. So this is the roof on the south. Press OK. So you have designed this to the south, and the south is for the south is 180 degree. 180 degree is mean south, and 20 degree for the slope, and choose inverter. Yes, only choose green color. And the green color, okay, as our demand, please choose one inverter, please choose one input. Okay, go to check. Green color is the system okay. The green color is a system, all the system is okay. And you can go to design. You can go to simulation. If you look the green color, and you can go to for the simulation. Okay, everything is okay. Check okay. So go to simulation. Okay, so it's finished your design. This for north, and this for south, north and south. Shear and the parallel, shear and the parallel. Okay, shear and the parallel, and the north is for south, and the slope 20 degree. Okay, for this one, I also need to teach you how to look the system. Yeah, I will tell you the meaning of this. Go here. I will tell you how to look the system. We call this is a system diagram. Solar system diagram. This is a solar system diagram. This is the north roof, and this is the south roof. This is one input. And this is also one input. Is a series, and the meaning is a parallel. So it's a 3 parallel and 16 series. This is the meaning. So the panel is a so the idea is we use two inverters, and this is the blend of the inverter. The blend. Maybe I think this is the company of the inverter, and this is the type of the inverter, and this is the number of inverters, so 2, and this is the capacity of inverter. That means 1.1 kilowatts is the capacity. So the logo is meaning is an inverter, and this is we say is a grid box. Grid box. Each home we have this kind of grid connection box. Grid connection box. And this is a grid. Yeah, this is a grid. So this is a DC power, and it come out become AC power. So this is the numbers of solar panel. And you can calculate. Yeah. Because for this one, 316 series multiple 3 period equal to 48, and 2 inverter so multiple 2 equal to 96. So 96 is here. Totally we have 96 solar panel. 96 solar panel. So one inverter connects to 48 solar panel. So 2 inverter going to 96 solar panels. Okay, to understand? And for this, this is orientation. For this orientation. And for this is a slope. Okay. So we call this is the solar system diagram. I hope everybody can understand about this every digital has their meaning. And also here another thing, this is the the company or the company of solar panel. And this is the solar power of solar panel. So this is the 36 is the solar power. The 36 is the solar power for each solar panel. The solar power for each solar panel. So we have 96 solar panels, and we have every solar panel can generate 36 watt solar power. 36 watt solar power.